payments from your favorite payment processor into your beloved QuickBooks. It won't matter if you're using QuickBooks Desktop or online. We have a solution for you. That Secure QB Cloud can update all of those QuickBooks financial softwares from Pro, Premier, and Enterprise to any of the online versions, as well as all of the subscription versions for QuickBooks. How do we do this? Well, let me show you. We're going to replace that Buy Now link with the link from your favorite payment processor. And once that link is clicked in the email, oh, by the way, that email is sent from your QuickBooks through your normal email channels. So you're not going to upload anything into our system. You're going to use your QuickBooks to create the email, create the invoice, and send that out to your customers just like you've always done. The only thing that we do is replace that link with your Buy Now link from your favorite payment processor. Once they do click that link, let me show you what happens. We're going to grab the invoice number from the email that was sent from QuickBooks. We place that email into that payment form so that as soon as that payment is made, your money is on its way to you. Most of your payment processors have faster funding. Sometimes you can get it same day, next day. There's any kind of payment option available, so you just need to ask your banker for what is going to be best and works for you. How do you get the information into your QuickBooks? Well, we're not QuickBooks, so there is one little extra step that you're going to need to take. Now remember, you're creating the invoice in QuickBooks, creating your customers in QuickBooks, emailing it out just the same way that you've always done. The only thing you need to do to get that data back in is to log into our cloud. Once you log into the cloud, we're going to display every payment that has come in that payment environment. It's pretty straightforward. If there's nothing here, you can click out, move on about your day. But if there is something here, you're going to take the next step, review that data. We match it in the cloud, so the invoice number is going to match the customer record. And once you've decided you're ready to move forward and push this data into QuickBooks, all you need to do is select the box that says Record Payments into QuickBooks. It takes about a half a second. Let's see what it looks like in QuickBooks Desktop. Once you've pushed that button, we're going to mark that invoice paid. The date the payment was made online is the date that we post into your QuickBooks Desktop invoice. We've also sent your customer a receipt because they made the payment through your payment processor. Let's take a look at what it looks like with QuickBooks Online. We're going to take the payment that was initiated through that Buy Now link. We're going to post it directly to the invoice that's listed on that email. We're posting that directly. We're also going to post the date the payment was made online to the invoice itself. And remember, your customer did get an email. That email showing that they have the information paid with the invoice number, the date that it was paid. Basically, if you have any other questions, we're happy to talk with you about it, but also reach out to your payment provider.